We're on Soarin right now. We're about to fly. We're flying, soaring around the world. We're gonna fly around the world. This is so cool how this is made. So we're like in the middle and we're in the last row, so we're gonna be the lowest.
See the feet dangling?
Yeah, we're gonna be the lowest. There's gonna be feet dangling above and above those guys. But there's 3 of these things. We're in the middle one. There's one over there. So we're gonna be right here. Let's see how long it takes before we get going.
We are now conducting our final systems check. Please stow all carry-on items in the under-seat compartment. For your safety, remain seated with your seatbelt fastened during your flight and watch your children.
Bienvenidos.
That's Putty from Seinfeld.
Sus efectos personales en el compartimiento debajo del asiento.
The Spanish one? I don't know who that is.
Permanezcan sentados
But that was
con el
Putty
cinturón de seguridad
from Seinfeld.
durante el vuelo y vigilen a los niños.
That show is so good.
Esperamos que disfruten
So funny.
su vuelo.
All right, we're ready to fly. We got some blinking lights up here. Blinking lights. What's going on up there? I don't know, but those lights over there are cool. Look at those, the blue with the orange. That looks neat. Blue and orange. Oh, we got it right here too. Yeah, blue and orange. Somebody sing to me. Oh, that row's not full.
I know, that's weird.
The last
I
row.
thought they would fill the row.
There's so many people out there in line.
That's a little strange.
I wonder if this Concourse A might be dedicated to Lightning Lane. Only?
Maybe.
Who knows? Alright, we're good.
Your bag fits underneath?
Yeah, did yours?
Yeah, mine fits underneath.
Yeah, they all fit. Yeah. Sometimes if we're in the front, I'll just leave it down, over there, but over here. Over here, it's gonna get stepped on. Because the bags there, probably people are gonna crash into them. We're getting ready. The blue lights are on. Yeah, it's blinking blue. Time to go. Yep, I think blue light means we're ready. Countdown is on? Maybe not yet. Not yet, not yet. A lot of moving parts to this thing. I always forget, but I think this comes down a little when we start, right? Doesn't this come, it folds down a little bit?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, I think so.
Ready for takeoff, that'll come down.
Yeah.
It's about to go down. Or not. It's taking longer than normal.
Yeah, I wonder what's up.
Soarin' to tower.
Coming down.
We are ready for takeoff.
Yeah, we have landed.
On behalf of
Almost,
our entire
almost.
flight, thanks for soaring
And
with
yes,
us.
feet on the ground.
To unfasten your seatbelt,
Yeah.
just push down on the red button on your right. Be sure to gather all your carry-on items from the underseat compartment and exit to your right. Have a great stay here in EPCOT or wherever your final destination may take you.
There we go. Thank you.
Thank you. I believe
That was fun. It was a different experience being on the bottom. It's less scary, right?
Yeah.
It feels less scary. It's a little more scary. We always get the top, let's call it the top bunk. It feels a lot more scary when you're all the way on the top. Definitely a lot less scary on the bottom. It's actually like more fun. You feel like you can move around more and not be holding on like, oh my God.
No, I like that. I did. Yeah,
People are still in line up there. That line is not even moving. It's a packed day here at EPCOT. Exit this way.
Mommy, can you come to the pool? Yes, it's a hot tub.
It's a long walk out.
It was fun. Was that fun? Tomorrow.
Feels like you're going and going and going. Oh, you know what? We forgot to check how long it took to make it in. From 40 minutes to whatever.
It's like 3:40,
I'd say it was
3:39.
about 10, 15 minutes.
I think 15. Yo estuve viendo en todo momento.
15 minutes more or less compared to 35. 35 might be longer because by the time you get in and wait and all that.
Plus they give priority to the Indian people.
That we're using the restroom.
Okay. There's restrooms right here at the end as you come out of Soarin. But I'm rolling so you guys, those of you who haven't come here yet, you see what it's like. Here's the entrance. Lightning lane on the left. 415. Was that 415?
It's at 60.
Oh, okay. Was that the wait for lightning lane? I don't know. Maybe it was. All right. I think that's where we're gonna stop right